Hi, I'm Tanj from Team OrByte. So, code with Ballerina, we have designed e-mobile solution with electric bikes. So, why we designed our solution? Uh, because of our cities are choking, because of traffic conditions, waves, yes, hours of everyday time in every person, and the cars and vehicles pump tons of carbon dioxide emissions into the air. And also, there is lack of clean and affordable mobility options for people. And most of time, urban spaces are designed for cars and vehicles, but not for people. So with our solution, we change, right? We what we offer? We offer a smart e-bike sharing service. So we can reserve a bike at any time, any station, and pick it up by the T station and drop at any station we are going. Since this is e-bike, we are utilizing clean energy built for easy mobility. And we are aim for reducing pollution, easing traffic, and improving quality of life through this. Why it stand out? Because this solution is eco first design, every ride, and reduce carbon footprint. And we got seamless experience with app-based reservation and GPS solution. And this solution totally community driven and encourage greener habits and one ride at a time with electric. And this cut down emission, which which aims cleaner air for all and save time from fewer traffic delays with using e-bikes in short distances and transforming urban life and more space for people and less space for cars and vehicles. And inspire, this is eco-friendly, inspiring eco-friendly living, and every rider becomes an ambassador of this eco-friendly solution. And this solution power tomorrow with sustainability. Every ride is a choice for planet because it's save a lot of uh, every ride is a choice for planet. And together we can build the cities through this solution and breathe cleaner air. So join us, turning eco-friendly lifestyle not an option.
When it comes to architecture of our application, there is front end and back end. First, we will discuss the back end. For the back end, we use microservice architecture. So back end is divided into 8 different microservices, and for all of these services, we use Ballerina language for the development. And each of these service has their own responsibilities. Auth service is responsible for handling user authentication and JWT token management. Then user service is responsible for user management and user profile management. Then bike service is responsible for bike and station management, because there are stations where users can rent our e-bikes. Then this is our core service, ride service, which is responsible for uh, ride handling, like ongoing rides and so on. Then there is payment service, which is of course is integrated with Stripe for payment handling. Then there is notification service for real-time notifications. Then there is a reward service. This service is responsible for uh, awarding some rewards for our users when they complete their rides. Then there is review service for reviewing and submitting ratings for their rides on our bikes. Then all of course we use database per service design pattern. We use PostgreSQL for 5 databases. When we are using PostgreSQL database, we use Bell Persist as our data modeling layer. Then there is MongoDB for these 3 services. Then as our message broker, we use Kafka. These are the 2 main events happening in our application: the ride events and payment events. Services listen to these events and process these events to work with our application. Then there is API gateway. When we are developing API gateway, we use Nginx as our API gateway. So this is the single entry point to our backend. Then there is front end. The front end is developed with React, and front end is talking with API gateway. For the deployment purposes, we use Docker, and for automation, we use GitHub Actions as our automation platform. So this is our architecture of our application.
Okay, let's see how a user will be able to use our application. This is the landing page of the web application. And here user will be able to sign up. Let me quickly sign up as a user. Now I can sign in as that user. Oh, I have successfully signed in. In this section, this is the station section where all the available station can be seen, and I can choose a station near to me. Let me choose this station. In the station page, the customer will be able to see all the available bikes and the options for the sortings and searching. By clicking rent now, he will be able to see the information of the bike and the reviews given by the other customers. Let me select a bike. Now the customer will be will directed to the right page where he can start a ride. Here in this page, there will be there is a map. That map will show the location the bike located and the live location of the ride. Let me start a mock ride. As you can see here, the current amount of the spend amount of the user will be shown, and the live location of the ride will be shown in this map. So now the customer has the choice to stop the ride, or he can move forward. Let me end the ride now. Okay. Now the customer will be redirected to the payment page. As we are using the Stripe payment, let me do the payment. Okay, I have successfully paid for the ride, and now the customer has a choice to move directly to the home page, or he can give a review for the ride he has taken. Okay, I have given a review, and he will be directed to the home page.
This is the admin panel login, so I can log in as same as user. So here the admin panel is used to manage bikes, loads, and stations. So here in the bike section, so you can see all the bikes in all the stations. So here everything is listed, and we can filter each and every bike with like these filters available, and we can edit bikes information and read bike information, as well as we can mark it as reserves and deactivate, and we can also delete one bike. So here we can add a bike. So it the pop-up window, and after in the information we can add the bike. So that we have stations. So information about stations are listed here. So here we can enter station. So and from here we can add the station. There's a feature to use the current location. It will get the location and coordinate latitude and longitude. And after filling all this information, you can add the station from here. That's it for the admin service. Thank you.